Let's shout it out to our cameramen, Don and Jake here.
And FD going with a bigger squad right now. That the smallest player being
I'll tell you, let's not count out four-star, though.
Spencer Ross. So
You might have heard about a little story, David and Goliath. I don't know if you heard about that one, Ken.
it rings a bell, Chris. It rings a bell.
Settig now. Sammy Settig. Kepwe.
You know, Kepwe versus Susuiko. That's a very good matchup to keep an eye out for the rest of the game. Susuiko with a big rebound there.
I think Susuiko more of the physical player. You know, he's going to try and muscle Kepwe up.
Nice hustle there by Irwin. That's something about the four-star team. Their on-ball defense is very tough and tenacious.
They're bringing that tenacious D, if you will.
Nice defense.
But you know, one thing on the get back though, they tend to rush things a little bit. I think they got to slow it down and put the ball in the hands of their guards and just kind of reset. And take their time a little more.
They are a very quick squad, and they're really looking to break out on these fast breaks, convert turnovers into easy points, which is a smart plan.
You're
get
right.
out early, not have to deal with these big men down low.
But it's all for naught if you lose control of the ball.
It's very true.
21-16 Phoenix. Sam Settig. Number 11.
And just like that, we've got a 2-point ball game.
I'll tell you, these Settig guys.
Nice defense.
Their threats from deep. Here comes George. An offensive foul there. That's a kind of a funny one.
Jimmy George.
Spencer Ross, he is a penetrator.
Four-star bench very enthusiastic about the defensive effort from their squad.
And that's the kind of squad they are, You get down the court fast, put a lot of pressure on the ball.
Yeah, they respect and enjoy hustle, and that's how a lot of their points are scored.
Hey, don't stop the hustle, man.
Spencer Ross hitting the first free throw there.
22-19 Phoenix. And he'll sink them both. 23-19 Phoenix. Sammy Settig now. Sanchez, Phoenix.
Nice screen and dump.
And yet another foul.
So it looks like we're in the bonus to get 2 shots.
Brian Cooper. Yep, count them both.
And Brian Cooper sinking both those free throws.
Oh.
Settig with the hesitation dribble and pull up 3.
Yep.
But off the mark.
No go, no go. I'd like to see four-star run some
Ross
plays
had to
here.
pick up his dribble.
Romeo Sanchez now. This is Suiko. So Suiko getting Mogodai to take it to the hole, if you will, Ken.
Number 9 for 4-star Kimo Uriarte. Doing a pretty good job of keeping him out of the paint, though.
Yeah. course, Suiko coming from basketball blood.
Nice outlet pass.
And here comes Setig. Oh.
Team 4-star looking for some points from the perimeter.
Jeremiah George now is going to reset things. As we get a look there at TK Irwin. I can really feel a sense of urgency with 4-star. You know, they want to make these plays happen, and
Yeah, you know, they're down 6. It seems as if they are trying to get back in the game immediately, looking for the 3-point shots. But they don't necessarily need that right now. Basketball's a game of runs.
you're right.
All it takes is 2-3, points down the court.
Sanchez there.
Conversions. Sanchez, nice
tell
in the
you,
post
yep.
there.
It's all momentum shift. You get the runs, and things are running. Run it and gun it, like we say in the hood. 27-19, Phoenix with an 8-point lead here. GBA action. UOG Calvo Fieldhouse. Spencer Ross to Suiko. Nice. Cooper.
And the veteran Estella with the nice little baby hook there.
He's on the board. 29-19, Phoenix by 10. Setig. You know, they're feeling like a 3. Well.
Setic hitting just when I want to say that, like, every 3 is like a probably poorly planned shot. I mean, he hits another one.
Speak of the triple.
Those brothers have range, man.
They do. I tell you, they live and die by the long ball, Ken.
We get a reach-in foul there.
It's a quick way to catch up. And with Capway on the bench, you know, I think that 3 is all they got. There's Julius Yu now coming in for the Phoenix.
As well as Stephen Gatewood.
Dior Jones, nice block
nice
there.
Nice block right there. Ollie Bradley able to get a finger on it. Nice bounce pass for the
Gatewood
easy
just
bucket.
kind of all alone over there in the paint. Dior, nice. Makes it count that time. 31-24, Phoenix. Bradley.
The big man, Ollie Bradley.
Going to the bank there.
Wow.
Sam Setig. And now 4-star within 6 here. Guam Basketball Association action. 33-27, Phoenix. The Setig brothers keeping 4-star in this ball game, Ken.
Yeah, definitely, especially with Kepwe out of the game currently.
And, you know, they say size does matter, but the little guys are bringing that deep ball. I think 4-star's got to really watch the fouls, though, here. We can see where they're going, though.
Halfway through the second quarter, so
Yeah.
I'm still relatively close. 6 points is not a lot.
Yeah. That's 2 Setig threes right there, and we got ourselves a tie ball game.
Very interested to see if Max Kepwe comes back into the game after this timeout.
I think 4-star, they need him. Not
What do
a
you
bad
think the coach
job.
is telling them on a 4-star team?
I think he's saying, hey, guys, let's watch the fouls and
Shoot more threes.
shoot more threes. I'm not a lip reader, but that's what I'd go with, Ken.
Oh, Kepwe is back in, so we have a more traditional team in for 4-star.
I think that, Kepway, the big man in the middle, and the guards, and maybe a little
Oh,
short on the
nice
forwards. Julius Yu.
Julius Yu unable to convert there.
Setig.
Wow.
Well, well.
Over the outstretched hand of Gatewood. Big three.
Yeah, and they're shooting pretty deep, too.
Yeah. Nice first step by Ollie Bradley.
And now all of a sudden, Ken, Phoenix lead down to 3.
You can't count any of these teams out in this league. The 4-star, they have a 1-4 record right now, but they are a very competitive team.
Like we said in the open, they're a lot better than that 1-4 record indicates. They've had some tough competition this young season.
Yeah, all the teams in the league are very good.
And that's where the level of play, with such a stellar level of play here, team to team, the GBA is really bringing it, setting the bar, raising the bar, and then jumping over it, Ken. And Gino Solik in.
So we have the Setic brothers in the backcourt for 4-star.
Yep, you're not seeing double. They are, in fact, twins. Gatewood. And another foul.
Tex Irwin getting a little overzealous there, drawing the contact.
We had some laying on of the hands, if you will, Ken. Bradley. 35-30 Phoenix.
Phoenix doing very well from the free throw line. They missed that first set of free throws early, but
well, they sure are going there a lot.
Yep, I've done really well converting from the line since then.
And now Phoenix by 7, 37-30. Another careless turnover.
Oh, the big man Bradley with a nice drop step and takes that short jumper.
And you're seeing Phoenix starting to step up their perimeter defense. They're expecting those threes now. And when they clog up that perimeter and they put man-to-man out on the outside, that forces 4-star to go to the inside game, but not much of an inside game here with Kepway on the bench.
So we have Estella and Calvo in the backcourt for Phoenix.
Phoenix leading by 9 now.
Oh, we got some contact there.
A good eye there.
Good call by the ref. There was definitely some contact.
And Bradley down on his buttocks.
Bradley looking very sharp from the line so far.
Yep. 41-30. Phoenix by 11. Nice long arm layup there by Setig.
nice defense by 4-star. Here they go on the break. Wow,
And
nice
4-star
finish
fired up there. The Setig.
Sam Setic.
I can't tell them apart, swear to God.
I'm not even really sure what happened. It was so fast.
All I know is that there were 3 Phoenix and it was Setig all by his lonesome down there somehow making that bucket.
It's kind of like Allen Iverson. He was just so quick, draws the contact, still
No
makes
pass.
the layups. Doesn't pass. Not afraid to shoot the 3.
Yeah. Oh. Cooper with a 3 of their own here for the Phoenix. Phoenix by 10.
We get contact there.
4-star, you're playing fast and loose, man. You got to love it, though. It's exciting.
Score now a 10-point lead for the Phoenix. As Setic misses the first free throw there. Converts on the second, though.
It's now a 9-point game. Phoenix with the lead as young Tomas Calvo. A lot of pressure there.
4-star pressuring Phoenix and converting on the turnover.
And I'll tell you what, the 4-star, they have a very vocal fan base. And they're now within 7. Phoenix 44. 4-star 37. Wow. Another turnover for Phoenix.
Back-to-back turnovers for the Phoenix.
And, you talk about that on-the-ball D to force the other team to make mistakes and then hopefully convert on the other end. And
as we get number 1, Javier Dimla in for the game for Phoenix. Our first look at him. And he is fast. They're running the fast break really quick. Nice finish by Dimla. Immediate impact.
just like that, right off the pine. Setig. Julius Yu now. He's a downtown threat. Put off to Bradley. Wow, Timber.
Oh, Dimla with the 3.
Wow. Hot hand there for Dimla. Swish.
5 quick points off the bench. And the lead is up to 11. The highest lead of the game so far.
48-37 Phoenix. Dior Jones. We had an elbow offensive foul. Just like the PXC, no elbows. We got a timeout now. 48-37 Phoenix over the 4-star.
A very high-scoring second quarter for both teams.
Yeah. I'm starting to get more fans trickling in here. I remember games are free. Makes for a great date night.
Yeah, it is. Very comfortable.
Air
nice
conditioned.
bleachers, air conditioning.
Gatorade is flowing. See former Governor Felix Camacho in the stands, actually. And from mid-pack, Uncle John Calvo. .119 to go in the half here. 48-37 Phoenix.
Four-star looking to press as soon as they get past the half court. And there's the trap. Nice ball movement by Phoenix.
Oh, and there you go.
Unfortunately,
Setic with the layup.
Setic with the layup there on the turnover.
48-39. Four-star's defense, 5-star right now.
Nice finish by Ollie Bradley. The deep outlet
Hail
pass,
Mary.
and we got the missed layup.
Nice rebound. Here comes Setic.
And
Demla got a hand on that. Julius Yu.
nice
To
ball
Bradley.
by Julius Yu. Nice pass to Bradley.
Yep. 52-39. I tell you, play fast and hard like Four-star is, sometimes it tends to get away from you.
Phoenix is really just taking advantage of the transitions off of missed shots.
Capway. And we're going to the half here. 52-39 Phoenix. And Ken, what do you think Four-star needs to do to close the gap here in the second half?
They need to do two things. They need to convert on fast break opportunities, and they also need to play hard defense. They're playing very good defense so far, but they're really rushing their transitions. If they have the fast break and they have the layup, they got to convert those layups. But if the fast break's not there, they need to slow it down and get a set shot, whether it be a three-point shot or a post play by one of their bigger men like Kepway.
I think if I'm the Phoenix, I want to really put some D on the perimeter there and, make it tougher for the Celtics to sink that long ball.
Yeah, we'll talk about that more. We're just going to throw ourselves to break real quick, and we'll come back with more action when we return.